welcome back to my channel. It's Dimma here. So today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial full stop. Full stop. There's not going to be any chit chat. Probably a little bit of chit chat because at first I wanted to do something really simple and then like maybe do a voiceover. But then I changed my mind. I was like, I haven't spoken to you guys while doing my makeup in a while, so I'm going to do a little bit of talking. I'm just going to pin this off of my face. Spin this back. As you guys have probably seen on the title, I am going out this evening. I'm going out for a gala. Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie is hosting. I feel like almost everyone knows who Chimamanda is. If you don't know her as an author, then you know her as a very strong feminist that used to drive Nigerian men mad. Okay. So she's doing a gala. I'm going, of course. I found a dress that I haven't worn in like what, going to 5 years? Yeah. About 4 years ago was the last time I wore this dress. I was just thankful because I got the invite while I was in Nairobi and I haven't had the time to shop to find something. And it's not like a casual thing. A gala is kind of dressy, so I'm going to wear a dress. You guys can see that I have changed my hair. I'm wearing new hair. This hair is from RPG Show. I unboxed it a little bit yesterday. It comes in the regular RPG box, as you guys can see. So it came with a few new things this time around. So there was a conditioner and like a conditioner shampoo thing in the box, and it looks like this. So this isn't a full lace wig, it's a frontal and it has tracks. I love the way like everything is machine sewn when it comes to the tracks. So everything is really neat, not lumpy, not bulky. I had to grab the box to look at it again, and these are conditioners. There are extra clips and pins in here. Okay, just in case you wanted to add more. So I did install yesterday and my hairline looks amazing right now. You guys are going to see this again, like the hair again, when I'm done with my makeup. So I'm going to start out with this thing that I got from Yves Rocher when I was in Kenya, and it looks like this. So this is their perfecting block hair. So this just kind of smooths out, especially the areas where you have like pores. I'm not going to be applying this on my forehead, guys, because my forehead is acting really funny right now. It's been like this since I came back from America this year, and it's so funny because I had a near identical episode last year when I went to America. I was complaining to you guys. I went to America, I think August last year, and I came back with a bunch of these on my forehead in September, and it's happened again. So after I went for YouTube Black, I came back with this. It's getting a lot better now, but I'm being extra careful with like whatever I put here. I don't think that it's going to break me out per se, but I feel like my pores, the pores that I have in that area, they are just not acting right now. Okay, so going to prime my face. This is my Too Faced Primed and Peachy primer. I really like this one. This is the Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer, by the way. This one is really good if you have combination to oily skin. So really quickly, I'm going to do my brows off camera. I'm going to do this to save time. There really isn't anything new to see here. I'm going to have a detailed eyebrow routine video linked somewhere ahead. I just want to save time because I know that you guys have seen this like 1,000,001 times. Okay, so done my brows. You guys know by now that I love Chimamanda a lot. I'm a feminist, so I agree with a lot of the things that she says. But outside of that, her work is amazing. I love African literature a lot, and I've read all her books and I loved every single one of them. Okay, so I just primed my eyes, by the way, in case you weren't sure what I was doing. I used my MAC Prep and Prime 24-hour Extend Eye Base. I know that some people just get away with priming with concealer. I am not one of those people. Okay, I just have to be very conscious of the light. Okay, with a translucent powder, this one is by ABH. I am going to set that area, and I'm going to take the powder all the way up onto the brow bone. So for this dress that I want to wear, it would actually look really good if I did like a bronzy eye with a red lip, but the last time I did a get ready with me here, that was what I did. So I want to do something really smoky, not like a flat out black smoky eye. I'm going to have a cut crease, but it's going to have a lot of black. I am going to be using one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. This is by a brand called Imagic. Going to take this first layer here, okay? And I'm going to take this very bright orange here, and I will use this as a transition shade. I'm going to go in with this one here. It is slightly darker than the one that I first used, and I'm going to apply this just right under the first shade. This is my Sigma E45. It's like a tapered crease brush. I am going to take this like very dark brown. This is my MAC 217. It's a short blending brush, and I'm going to use this to blend that brown out. I'm going to leave all the details for this hair in the description box, so please check there if you're wondering. This is my P. Louise base in Rumor 4. I'm going to use this to cut my crease. I'm going to use this shade on my eyelid. These colors, these eyeshadows are very soft, but I'm going to get my brush a little bit wet. I am going to take this shade here. I don't want to apply a lot, okay, because I'm going to apply a much brighter color close to my tear duct. So going to go back in with the brown that I blended into my crease earlier. I want this area darker, so I'm going to go in with this black. So going into Miss Jackie Aina's palette, this shade that I'm going to use is called Trust Issues. It looks like this. I'm going to line my waterline and I'm going to smudge this out. Okay. A little bit of mascara here. I'm not lining my eyes, but I think I'm going to do something real quick. So I'm going to use like an angled brush to smudge some of the black eyeshadow very close to my lash line. Okay, so for this, I'm going to be using my MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NW45. Never breaks me out, and when I'm breaking out, like I wear it comfortably because I know that it's not going to make things worse, okay? So to highlight, I'll be using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Dark 46. To contour, I'm going to be using a stick foundation from ABH, and this one is their stick foundation in Cool Earth. My Nuban Beauty Blending Sponge. Going to set the highlighted parts of my face with my ABH Loose Setting Powder in Banana. I'm going to be very fast with this. To set the contoured parts, my Milani pressed powder in Earth Glow, not medium. I'm going to set my entire face with my Iman pressed powder in Earth Medium. I'm going to apply this brown mixed with black on my lower lash line. I'm going to apply some mascara on my bottom lashes. So going to apply a little bit of color to my cheeks. I'm going to be mixing these two. So I'll be mixing these. This is the ABH blush trio in Cocktail Party, okay? And just over it, over that I'm going to use MAC's blush in Raizin. So for my highlighter, I'll be using Fenty Beauty's Hustla Baby. Okay, so lining my lips with Morphe's Lip Pencil in Bar. So on my lips, I'm going to be using one of my favorite glosses from ABH, and this one is in Sunset Strip. It's a very peachy type of gloss, and I think that it will go with my eye color really well. I don't want to do a lipstick because I'll be doing a lot of talking today and a lot of eating, I think, towards the end of it. So I want something that I can reapply really easily. I want this hair to be really like, you know, full, and I don't want to get it wet. I want a little bit of volume, but this is what the curls look like. Okay, so I've changed into my dress. This is what the look looks like. I just really love how kind of dramatic it is, and I love how well it goes with my dress. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to leave all the details for the wig in the description box. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed.
I said, unfortunately, I'm the only person who lives here, so if you're gonna need to speak to someone, it is me.
I think coming to Nigeria is something that she probably would have done anyway. She has previously collaborated with a fashion designer in Cote d'Ivoire. And so we started talking about when would be a good time because she has such a busy schedule. I went to a video.
Yes. Okay, video.
This is me and my girl, Dimma. I've been watching her wait now. Anyway, so this is Dimma Umeh. This is my baby girl. I've been watching, I'm so excited to meet her. I've been watching her since she was like watching. Oh my God. Following her. Yes. And she's so real and authentic and thoughtful. You know, a young woman who thinks. Oh, I stop blushing. I say no. Thank you so much. Thank you. Easy. And all I'm watching is stuff like, yes, friendship.
Guys, I got home and I pulled off my lashes. I was about to jump into the shower, and I remembered that I haven't like ended this vlog. So guys, the only words that I have, actually that I have for this night is mad. This night was mad. Chimamanda is somebody that I have admired for so long. I have read all her books, I already said this, and I just imagine sometimes what it would feel like meeting her. So this was like something that I was looking forward to. I thought that I was going to just gawk at her from a distance, but you guys saw the way it turned out. Guys, I'm just so grateful. Chimamanda is amazing. Like, I love her. Yeah, I'm just happy. Let me go take my makeup off and go to bed. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just realized that this thing is a little bit blurry. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. I'll see you in my next one. Mwah.